morning friends. Today we will start the revision of chapter number 4, Practical Geometry. Okay, in previous standard 7, we learned about the construction of triangles. Okay, so for that, in a construction of triangle, we learned that with SSS criteria, if three sides are given, we can construct the triangle. For example, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. So it is possible to draw a triangle. Draw 5 centimeter, from this point make an arc of 4, and from this point make an arc of 6. So if three sides are given, we can construct a triangle. Then we learn side angle side criteria. In that, if in a triangle two sides and included angle is given, for example, this side is given 6 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter, and included angle is given 60 degree. So we can construct this triangle with SAS criteria. With ASA criteria, if two angles and included side is given. For example, this is 60, this is 30, and included side given 7 centimeters. So we can construct this triangle. And then if RHS criteria, one right angle is given, one hypotenuse is given, and any of this side is given. So we can construct the triangle, and we need 3 measurements. At least 3 measurements are required. Now for a construction of quadrilateral, need at least 5 measurements. It can be angle, it can be side, or it can be diagonal. So there are 4 methods to construct the quadrilateral. First is 4 side and 1 diagonal is given. Here we need to divide the quadrilateral into 2 triangles. To construct the quadrilateral, we need to divide into 2 triangles. If we take the any measurement, let's take one example of quadrilateral. This is shape of any quadrilateral, and here in this side is given 6 centimeter, this is given 5 centimeter, this side is given 7 centimeter, this is given 6.5 centimeter. 4 sides are given, any of the diagonal is given, let's say this is 8 centimeter. So here you can see this is our upper triangle and this is our lower triangle, and we know how to draw triangle with SSS criteria. So here first we construct this triangle, upper triangle, and then we construct the lower triangle. And if we combine that, we get the quadrilateral. So here in 4 side and 1 diagonal, we draw a triangle and we construct the quadrilateral. So let's say take example 1. Construct the triangle, construct the quadrilateral PQRS. In that PQ is given 4 centimeter, QR is given 6 centimeter, RS is given 5 centimeter, PS is given 5.5 centimeter, and PR is given 7 centimeter. Now what you need to do? You need to construct the triangle. So here first draw a rough figure of this measurement. So let's say this is the quadrilateral PQRS. In that, write the measurement. PQ is 4 centimeter. Always draw a rough figure. QR is 6 centimeter. PS is 5 centimeter. RS is 5 centimeter and PS is 5.5. PR is 7 centimeters. So this measurement is given 7 centimeters. Now we can construct the triangle SPR and triangle PRQ, and that will give quadrilateral PQRS. So what we need to draw first? Draw PR of 7 centimeter. So let's draw PR of 7 centimeter. Using scale, draw PR of 7 centimeter. Now, what need to be your next step? using compass from P, make an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Because S is 5.5 centimeter. So with compass and scale, take the measurement of 5.5. So this is our 5.5 and we will make the arc from P. Now from R, make an arc of 5 centimeter. So let's take the measurement of 5 centimeter. So this is our 5 centimeter and from R, make an arc of 5 centimeter. Okay. So now join, give the intersection point name S. From P, make an arc of 5.5. From R, make an arc of 5. Intersection point name S. So we construct the upper triangle. Now from P, this is 4 centimeter. So let's take the measurement of 4 centimeter on compass. From P, make an arc of 4 centimeter. From R, it is 6 centimeter. So again take the measurement of 6 centimeter. So this is our 6 centimeter. And from R, make an arc of 6 centimeters. You can extend this arc. Now give the intersection point name Q, join PQ and PR. This is 4 centimeter, this is 5.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Clear? So we can write the steps. First draw this construction and then we will write the steps of this. So first step is draw line segment PR 7 centimeter. Then from P, make an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Then from R, make an arc of 5 centimeter that intersect previous arc at S, join PS and RS. So our upper triangle is constructed. Now next is from P, make an arc of 4 centimeter. From R, make an arc of 6 centimeter that intersect previous arc at Q, join PQ and RQ. So these are the steps, and our quadrilateral PQRS is constructed. You need to write steps in your own word. Write the steps as you follow the figure. Now next, construct the parallelogram MORE, where OR is 6 cm, RE is 4.5 cm and EO is 7.5 cm. Now we already learned property of parallelogram. What is parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal. So if two sides are given, it means we get the all side. Again it means 4 side and 1 diagonal is given. This is example of 4.1. third question. So here let's draw a rough figure. This is a parallelogram. OR is given 6 centimeter. R is given 4.5. So if this is 6 centimeter, this one is also 6 centimeter. Always draw a rough figure. If this is 4.5, this one is also 4.5, and diagonal EO is given 7.5 centimeter. So we need to draw 7.5 from this, 4.5 from this, it is 6 and 4.5. Clear? So let's draw EO of 7.5. We need to draw a horizontal line. So it is 7.5. You need to write this first step. Draw EOE of 7.5 centimeter. Okay, write first step. OE is 7.5 centimeter. Now next, from O, make an arc of 4 and 4.5. So let's draw a 4.5 from O. So we take the measurement of 4.5 and make an arc. So this is our 4.5. From E, make an arc of 6 centimeter. So let's take the measurement of 6 centimeter on compass. And we will draw 6 centimeter from E. So it intersects here. We give the name M. Join OM and EM. You need to write the steps. From O, make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. From E, make an arc of 4.5 or 6 centimeter that intersect previous arc at M. Join OM and EM. Same, we need to construct the lower triangle. So here, from O, make an arc of 6 centimeter. We have already 6 centimeter on compass. So we draw arc of 6 centimeter here. 4.5. From E, draw an arc of 4.5. So give the intersection point name R. Join OR. Always write the steps. And this is 4.5. Okay. So what will be your step? Draw OE of 7.5. From O, make an arc of 4.5. From E, make an arc of 6 centimeter. Give intersection point name. M and join OM and EM. Same, from O, make an arc of 6 centimeter. From E, make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Give intersection point name. R. Join OR and ER. These are the steps. Clear? You need to write it in your own words. Now next is rhombus. So what is the property of rhombus? In a rhombus, 4 sides are equal. So if one side is given, means we get all 4 sides. So let's draw a rough figure of this. In rhombus, all sides are given. Rhombus is given BEST. In that BE is 4.5, means all sides are 4.5 centimeter. ET is 6 centimeter. So this diagonal is given 6 centimeter. So we can rotate this. So we get ET as a horizontal. So we need to draw ET of 6 centimeter. Let's draw ET of 6 centimeter. The construction of rhombus is very easy because we need to only take the one measurement, ET. You need to write that draw ET of 6 centimeter. From E, make an arc of 4.5. So let's take 4.5 first. This is, yes, it is 4.5. From T, it is also 4.5. Give the intersection point named T. From E, it is also 4.5 downside. From T, it is also 4.5. And this will give point S. Now join ET, E, this is B, BE and BT. This is TS and T. So write the steps in homework for it is rhombus. Here exam exercise 4.1 question number 1 and 2 will be in your homework. You need to solve that in your notebook. Now next type of construction of a quadrilateral is when three sides, up to now we learned that when four sides and one diagonal is given. Now when three sides and two diagonals are given. At least 5 measurements are required to construct the quadrilateral. So how can we, let's take one simple example, how we will draw a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 diagonal. So if we consider this quadrilateral, in that these 2 diagonals are given, let's say this is 6 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter, any 3 sides are given, this is 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So how can we draw? Here we need to identify the triangles. So here this is the first triangle. In that we can apply this SSS criteria because this side is 6 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. So we can construct this triangle. Now we need to construct this side triangle because here we also have a 3 side. So from this point this line must be 4 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 4.5. And as we get this figure, this is 4.5, this is 3 and this one is 4 centimeter and we get this figure in which this side is 6 centimeter, this is 5. So we can join this point to other point. So we get the quadrilateral. Clear? Now let's take the example 2 in which 2 sides and 2 diagonal and 3 sides are given. So first is, it is ABCD where BC is 4.5 centimeter, AD is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, diagonal AC is given 5.5 centimeter, BD is 7 centimeter. Always draw a rough figure first so you will be clear where we need to start. We can draw a rough figure. You can give any name in a clockwise ABCD. So BC is 4.5, AD is 5.5, CD is 5 centimeter, AC is 5.5 and BD is 7 centimeter. If you give the name of a quadrilateral like this, you start from here, then you can draw BD first of 7 centimeter, then BC is 4.5, AD is 5.5, CD is 5 and this AC is 5. So both figures give the same result. So let's start with the AC of 5.5 centimeter. Then which triangle we will draw first? With this side, these two sides are given, means we can consider triangle ACD. First we will consider triangle ACD, then we will consider triangle BDC and we get the quadrilateral. So first AC of 5.5 centimeter. So this is our AC of 5.5 centimeter. Now let's construct the upper triangle. From A to D it is 5.5. So we will take the measurement of 5.5. And from A make an arc of 5.5. Now from C make an arc of 5. So this is our 5 centimeter. So this point give the name. It is D. Join AD. Means our half quadrilateral is constructed. Now how can we get point DB? From D it is 7 centimeter away. So from D we need to make an arc of 7 centimeter. So let's take the measurement of 7 centimeter on compass. So this is our 7 centimeter. From D make an arc of 7 centimeter. From C make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So from C it is 4.5. This intersection point name P. Now join BD and BC. So we can join A to B and our quadrilateral is constructed. Clear? So let's write this step. First step is draw AC of 5.5 centimeter. Then what was our next step? From A make an arc of 5.5 centimeter. From A make an arc of 5.5 centimeter. Next step was from C make an arc of 5 centimeter. Then give the intersection point name D. And join AD and CD. So our first triangle is constructed. Now from D make an arc of 7 centimeter. That was our next step. From D make an arc of 7 centimeter. And from C make an arc of 4.5 centimeter. Give intersection point name B. Next step was join BD, CB and AB. So quadrilateral ABCD is constructed. Clear? So this way we can construct the quadrilateral when 3 sides and 2 angles are, 2 diagonals are given.